In this video, we're going to talk about Chainers, which is a brand new NFT game, and you can grab your NFT for absolutely free, and we're going to talk about how to do that later on. I think I say on the channel is financial advice. Always do your own research before investing any money. Let's get on with the video, guys. Now you're probably wondering, what is an NFT game? Well, you will already know that lots of people around the world play different video games, whether that be on a console like an Xbox, or whether that be online, on a phone, or on a laptop, etc. Now, there's a very big shift happening in the world right now, and it's moving from conventional gaming into crypto gaming. Those are games played on the blockchain. And what's very cool about that is you can play these different games and you can earn actual rewards in different tokens that you can then change into cash or different cryptos. And you can then use these to enhance your gameplay. You can own different NFTs. That might be a character who is an NFT. That might be different items of clothing, different weapons, etc. that are also NFTs that you can then sell and trade with other players around the world. And that's very, very cool in my opinion. NFTs are non-fungible tokens, and they're unique digital collectibles on a blockchain. This feature makes them suitable for games as representations of characters, consumables, and other tradable items. NFT games have become popular in the GameFi world as a way to earn income. You can sell your in-game NFTs to other collectors, players, and earn tokens and play to earn mode. This is also cool because you get to interact more with different players, and this also creates a whole exciting kind of in-game economy that you may not have experienced before. So jumping over to Chainers, it's a browser-based game, so you can play it straight from your internet browser, which is very cool, and it's an MMO game, which stands for Massively Multiplayer Online Game. So there's millions of people potentially around the world playing the game at the same time, and you can interact with them during the gameplay. Now this is a very cool game if you're a creative person, because you can create your own avatars, and you can see above there's pretty much millions of unique different ways in which you can create your own avatars. And there's a cool little video here with some of the gameplay. You basically start like this, and then you can basically design your kind of world around it, kind of like The Sims that you may have come across years and years ago, but with far more functionality. This is very good. You can then do things like gather resources. You can build your homes, you can create different items, and ultimately enjoy kind of like a different metaverse world using one of these characters, and you can design everything around your own unique interest. There's limitless creative potential, which is really nice. And because a game like this is suitable for potentially lots of different people, from children to adults and all sorts. And this kind of like 3D world that you have here is very kind of unique and exciting as well. And you can see there's lots of different things going on. Okay, so we've got free to play, where you can come and log on and absolutely free you can play. You can also get a free NFT distribution. There's addictive gameplay, so you can compete with different people in order to build your empire. And there's also a creative economy system where you can basically use the tokens to trade with on the platform. And if you want a free NFT, all you got to do is go through that link down below in the description and come here, and you can click on get free NFT. And then all you got to do is sign up with one of the following, either that be Facebook or Meta, Google, and Twitter, and then you can get started with that. Now you need to have a free NFT if you want to go and explore the world of Chainers, and this will allow you to enjoy the gameplay. And you can see here you can start building your creative world, and potentially in the future you're not going to be able to get in for free, so make the most of that opportunity of picking up your free NFT today by going through that link down below. As I've already mentioned, there's various different ways in which you can create all sorts of different things, and you can then trade and give things to other people. It's a community powered project and will be driven by the community into the future, so you'll have a lot of opportunity to input your ideas of how to improve the gameplay. You can come across and follow them on Twitter or Discord to interact with other people in the community already. These NFTs come in 15 different races and have over 500 different traits. Okay, so you can come and create your own unique NFT to suit your own personality, your own style, and all of that needs to be done. So make sure you're not missing out, guys. Very, very cool project, very unique, and I think something that is definitely going to take off, because I've seen things like this go fairly viral. And because you can open it through a browser, also very accessible for lots of people around the world. So in summary, Chainers is a very cool brand new NFT play to earn game built on the Chainers. You get your own individual NFT for absolutely free, and you create your NFT into any sort of style you want. You can then go ahead and create lots of different things within the game. With those NFTs, you can then do things like buying and selling different things that you've created, interacting with the community all over the world. Very unique and very exciting proposition. Guys, if you enjoyed today's video, then do me a favor and hit that like button. Thank you very much for doing that. And if you're new to the channel, you want to learn more about NFT games, GameFi, crypto in general, then make sure you hit subscribe, and I'll see you very soon in the next video. Bye-bye.